A Poem About Sound by Blakeley Bristol. Sounds are all around us. Some sounds might seem like a little rabbit hopping through the forest. Other sounds might sound like someone stomping down the stairs. Some are quiet as a mouse. Others belong in a giant's house. Many different things can make a sound. What sort of sounds have you found? Hard versus soft. Where do all of the sounds go? Hard versus soft, high versus low. Where do all of those sounds go? So, I hope that you are able to hear it well enough from this, but I would also like to explain my instrument a little bit. So this is actually a copper streamer from when you might make mac and cheese and you kind of have to stream all the water out of the noodles. And then I tied some miniature rubber bands inside of it as well.